Who wants an ice cream? John wants an ice cream. Does John wants an ice cream? Does John wants? Does, when we use does, we don't use as with wants. Does John want an ice cream? Does she want an ice cream? Because does s has been used with does, so we don't use s with wants. John wants an ice cream. She wants an ice cream. Here we have used she wants an ice cream. If we use helping verb does she want an ice cream? Here we have used does, so no s will be added with the verb. Does she want an ice cream? Do you want an ice cream? Do you want ice cream? Do they want an ice cream? Does she want an ice cream? Here does has been used. We use do when the subject is plural. When the subject is singular, we use does. We use does when the subject is singular, and we use do when the subject is plural, and we use s, we use es with verbs when the tense is present, when the conversation, when the action is about their routine activities, about their permanent likings and dislikings, their habits and their routines. We use present indefinite when we are talking about habits, routines, permanent likings and dislikings and habits. Who wants an ice cream? So only the person who loves eating ice cream will say, I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. Here wants hasn't been used because the subject is I. They want an ice cream. S hasn't been used with want because we don't use s with plural. We don't use s with verb when the subject is I. No s with verb when the subject is they. No s with verb when subject is we. No s with verb when the subject is they. No use of does when the subject is they. We use does with singular nouns and pronouns. We use do with plural pronoun, nouns and pronouns. When the subject is plural, we use do. When the subject is singular, we use does and s or es with the verb in the present indefinite tense. Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone rang? Who loves eating pizza? Do you love eating pizza? Who wants ice cream? Who wants an ice cream? Who broke this chair? Why did he break the chair? When we use did, the verb that comes after did is first form. It is never second. Did is in fact second verb, and when we use did for asking question, the verb that comes after that is always first form. Why did he break the chair? Did is the second form. Did shows the past, so break is first form. We will not use broke when we have used did. So why did he break the chair? We will not say why did he broke the chair. But in the first sentence, who broke the chair, there is no did, so it's about past, and we have used second form broke. Who broke this chair? And if you say John broke the chair, why did he break the chair? Break is first form, did is second form. When did is there, we use first form after did. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.